Welcome to Alley Picked. Now, in case you haven't had a chance to backtrack and watch all of my videos, our videos, today is going to be a compilation of the last 15 woodworking projects that we've done. Now, I love to build and restore stuff that inspires and interests me. Sometimes I build it out of need. Sometimes I just want to learn something new, a new technique. I love to challenge myself with a variety of things. So, you're going to see some cool projects in this video, never seen anywhere except here on Alley Picked. Right, Woodrow? That would be a thumbs up, if he had thumbs. First up, this bench restoration. I've seen a lot of similar benches, metal sides and wood slats. I've never seen one that looks this good. But let me unrestore this for you and show you what it looked like when I pulled it out of the woods, where it had been exposed by the weather for years. Number 2, a giant Connect 4 game, played like the original. This giant game is loads of fun. In retrospect, the one thing that I would have done differently is to paint the black circles a different color. The black color is too close to the stained wood. Something like a light blue would stand out better. Nonetheless, a great project, but not for a beginner. This surely is a one-of-a-kind storage bin, great for magazines. I hand-turned the 4 legs to look like milk bottles. This is one of my personal favorites, a true Alley Picked special, made from a gas can and an old kitchen table. All parts found in the alley in someone's garbage. Here's a project that was inspired purely out of a need. My wife started buying a lot of these $5 paparazzi jewelry and had no place to put them. I designed this specifically for her necklaces and earrings. Here's something you can build quickly and easily, and have plenty of time to finish it before Christmas. A friend of mine gave me this old beat-up bass. At first, I wasn't even sure what it was. It took a lot of careful planning, but I was able to restore this beautiful walnut adjustable piano stool. I wasn't sure what I could do with a couple of meat grinders, but this shelf is what I came up with, and I think it looks pretty cool. Chip carving is a really wonderful, relaxing hobby. You can make a lot of fun and creative projects. In about a week, I made 5 step stools completely out of scrap wood from my shop. I used this last winter. It fits over the heat vent and it really works pretty good. Last up, I'd like you to meet my Buzzard. That's all 15. Thanks for watching. Great job, Woodrow.
Woohoo!